Oh, oh, where are you going? Hey, listen, if I'm going to take the time to teach you how to do all this stuff, then you get your butt back out in that garage. And then you smash the subscribe and like button because I'm an awesome guy and I like to give free information. So you should do me a favor. But don't be walking away. We got things to learn today and to fix. So you better go grab your tools and get out in that garage right now. Right now. What are you waiting for? Go. Jeez.
Just wanted to show you guys the easiest way to replace your chain on your motorcycle. These little steel cutters, 12-volt steel cutters on Temu, it'll take 30 seconds to get through the chain, the old chain, which is what I did here. Like I said, it literally will cut the old chain off in about 30 seconds. And as long as your cut is clean, then you can take the new chain, attach it to the old chain, and then all you have to do is pull it through. So you just grab the bottom right there and just keep pulling and feeding the chain, and it'll automatically go through, and you don't have to do all the rest of it. Then you just have to loosen the back, the locking nuts, and then set the tire. Simplify your life. So a new chain's all there. I'm just going to pull it through. Just hook a zip tie around the centerpiece there and just tug it on through. It's really easy. So let me do this real quick, show you what it looks like. And there you go. Like I said, it's literally that simple. And there you go. All done. New chain's on there. Proper height's been set. Sounds good. Looks beautiful. That one was a piece of crap. That was the original chain. This one has the perfect amount of slack on it now. It's supposed to be 1/2 inch from touching the top. Not too tight. Not too light. Perfect. Sprockets are still in good shape. This bike is ready to rip, Chip. Hell, I do want to show you guys how easy it is to actually cut through the chain with that little 12-volt cutter that I got, because these things are literally like 10 bucks. If you're like me and you work on a lot of bikes, and a bunch of little 3-inch cutting blades for this are like $2. You can get 10 for $2. These things are $10. Just show you how fast these actually cut through chains. We're going to cut the old one. Just going to stand somewhere in the middle of it after I pull it tight. Let's pick a chain link here. We'll go ahead and cut that one. Just going to turn it on, lock it into place, and here you go. I'm already through the first link all the way through. See what I'm saying? It takes like 30 seconds to cut a chain off with this little 12-volt rig. These are from Temu for 10 bucks. This is what I use to remove chains. It's so much faster than the big one. The big one has to cut much larger grooves than this one. This one cuts such nice, precise little cuts that you can just boom. And I screwed up a few times. It's a lot easier when it's on the bike. Trying to do it this way, it's a little bit harder. On the bike, like I said, it takes about 10 seconds to cut through it. But that's all the way through. As you can see, all the way through. Let's see if I can find it. What did I just do with it right there? See, right where my finger is, all the way through that puppy. So you can see how easy it is to cut off a chain. Literally takes 30 seconds with one of these to cut a chain off. So, boom. Up there it goes. You can't even hear it with the new chain on there. It's so quiet with the new chain on there. Oh my goodness. Cool.